Howdy YouTube, and welcome to this episode of the Gunman. So today we've got another garage repair going on, a bit of a spot repair this time. So yeah, pretty small repair we've got here. So we're just going to be blending up here with the clear coat. We've got a little bit of a repair there. So as you can see, it's started to rust, and it looks like there's some kind of an old repair underneath there. Got my little helper here, got all my tools and equipment set up. So let's get straight into it. So with this UV filler, you can't put it in too thick. This is actually in a fair way. As you can see, there's an old repair there. So I've got a feeling I might have to do 2 or 3 skims. On smaller repairs, it's really good for doing single skims, but you can't go too deep because the light needs to penetrate all the way down to the bottom to dry it. Get a little bit in like that, finger it in. So yeah, it's been fun working in the garage, and it's been good watching all your guys' comments, and it does seem like it's been quite popular amongst the viewers, so I've been enjoying it, and it's good that you guys seem to be as well. Might not always get back to your comments, but I do at the very least try to read them. The glasses on, because you don't want to damage your eyesight with these lights. And then you press the little spanner icon there, that turns it on to time. So you this way you just pull the trigger and it'll go on and off as you pull the trigger. You got to stay away too, Sky, that's not good for you. I know, and thanks to the people who have said be careful with Sky here in the garage, because the chemicals are really not good for her. But most of the time my wife is around, so if my wife was around, she'd be chilling with her inside the house. But when my wife's away and Sky's here, she'll just be scratching and clawing at that door. So sometimes you just gotta let them come in with you in the garage. Just something to scratch it up so I can put that next layer in. That's a bit loud there for you, is it, Sky? She didn't like that. She didn't like that one. I might give that a quick block. Nice and neat little skim there. Might need, I reckon, 1 more in a couple of little spots, and that'll just about be it. I've also got some UV primer, so there's not going to be any need to stop on this job. There'll be no waiting in between, you know, primer and body. There's no waiting. There's no, get the body filler in and then wait for 10 minutes. That's a thing of the past, mate. I'm pretty happy with how that repair's feeling now. So I did end up putting 3 skims through there, but what ended up happening, each time I was blocking here, I must have been blocking there on the edge of the repair. So I did end up actually having to put a 4th skim, but just through the bottom there, just to fill that back up, because as I say, I must have been sort of scalloping it back out. It might need a little bit more of a block there. Yeah, that's good now. That's really good now. So I'll take that bit of 120 off there. I might give it a quick, oh man, they need to do something about that. Pinkies, mate, do some wind tunneling. That gets real loud. But apart from that, love your blocks, man, love your blocks. So take that down to 180 now. That's why I'm giving it a quick go over with 180. I can feel that's a lot smoother now. Turn that off so we don't get squealed at. Maybe they need to make the holes a bit smaller. I bet that's what it is. Either way, clean these edges up, and then we'll get some masking on the car. I'll turn that compressor on, blow the car down, get it masked up, and I want to get some UV primer on here. to seal it all down. Make sure we haven't got any pinholes, which there looks like there might be 1 or 2 little ones there. They might fill up with the primer. Might not actually need any pinhole fine filler. I don't like having to scratch inside door jambs, but sometimes your repair requires it. Geez, I'm half tempted to put some 1K on that. That repair's so good. That's really good, man. Wow. That UV filler, mate, it is amazing. Truly amazing stuff. Let's quickly go over those edges with some 500. Get rid of the deep scratches. Yeah, you know what? That repair is so good. I might even just put some aerosol 1K on that. That's how good that repair is. I'm surprised. I thought I was going to have to UV prime it, but I might just continue on with the prep work on this one, get it all prepped at the same time, and then see if 1K is going to do it. It might not do it. So from here, I'm just going to get the rest of that prep work done. So from here, I'm actually going to do the prep work before I prime. I want the whole thing ready to go. I just want to mask it up once. I'll mask it up once, and then I might actually mask the blends off for when I do the primer. Prime it up, dry the primer, scuff it, unmask the second layer of masking, and then we're right to paint. You know what? It might actually just be easier to paint the whole way down there rather than doing a blend. So I might do that actually. It's not too dirty of a car, so sometimes down on sill patterns get a bit dirty. Either way, I love my microfibers. Yeah, there's another little funky thing going on here. Look, if the car was in better condition, I probably would have fixed like this kind of thing properly, but the whole car is kind of, it's got imperfections all over it, so I think they're just getting this done to sell. Doing it up just to sell it, so oh, that was easy. Nice little quick prep session there. Lasted all of a couple of minutes, less than 5 I reckon. You know what? Waste not, want not, mate. I might reuse those bits of masking tape. Usually you always mask the rear door first, but it doesn't matter in this instance. Watch out, watch out. I want to close that on your head. What I might do is just do that, just so we don't get the primer inside that gap. I only want the colour and clear in there. So how's that, mate? A repair that size with no pinholes. UV filler, baby. That's all it needs, just a light bit. 1K primer, mate, and we're laughing. How good is that? Might get that heat gun, and then as you can see here, there we go. And I don't have primer inside the gun. Rightio guys, thanks for watching up to the end. Hang around till next week, and we're going to be doing the paintwork stage. We get stuck straight into that. So also, as you can see here, I do have the footage of me doing the polishing, so we'll probably include that in next week's video. So anyway, be sure to subscribe if you're not already, to make sure you don't miss any of my updates. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out. I'd like to say a big thanks to everyone for watching, and if you'd like to support the channel further, you're more than welcome to go over and check out some of the merchandise we've got. My personal favourite is those spray suits, so they're a good quality Colad branded spray suit with the Gunman logo on it. There's also hats, drink coolers, hoodies and t-shirts, so be sure to go over and check out the link in the description if you are interested.